Cherise, and today I am out and about downtown in my favorite part of the city, Old City, and I just happened to come across an area, a historic area actually, that I've never been to before, and I literally just ran upon it. So I'm gonna share it with you. I'm so excited that I just happened upon this place. This is Elfreth's Alley, which is the oldest street. It's crazy. So we're gonna walk down this cute little street. It is so cute. Wait till you see it. I'm so excited to share it with you. But here we go. And here is Elfreth's Alley. Built in the 1700s, this is the oldest street in the United States. Yes, you heard me right. The oldest street in the US of A, which makes it a national landmark. These are the same houses, same 32 historic houses that were here 300 years ago. The craziest thing is that people actually live on this cute little street, which I mean, I wonder how much the houses go to live here. So incredible. I love it. So the history of Elfreth's Alley from the 18th and the 19th century is that back in that time when Philadelphia really started to just become a city that was growing and you know, there were so many merchants and people that were moving into the area, they noticed that at the port area it became really, really crowded when the ships and everything were starting to bring in goods. So these two guys, John Gilbert and Arthur Wells, they said, you know what, we need like something here to like help us out. And so they created this little like path between their properties. What is this? Oh, take a look at this. This is a cute little fun facts of Elfreth's Alley that somebody who lives here must have done. Oh, that's cute. Aww. So anyway, these two guys, Arthur Wells, John Gilbert, said we need to create a path here. So the path was later called Elfreth's Alley. It was named after Jeremiah Elfreth, who was a blacksmith and a land developer. So the great thing about this cute little street is that in the 60s, it became an actual national historic landmark. Some of the residents, local historians, just fought to make sure that nothing could destroy and eliminate Elfreth's Alley, and that it would forever be preserved. These are really kind of cool. I like this little house right here. So, although Elfreth's Alley is a free historic site, as you can see, you can do a walking tour in the museum, so you can just go online to book your walking tour. Oh, look at this. It says, welcome to Elfreth's Alley. Yes, people really do live here. Past in 1713. There's a museum here. But this is a cute one right here. I like the red. Oh, this is really pretty. I like that red. Oh, somebody really does live here. You with me? People do live here. Should we walk on this side? We're gonna walk on this side. Cute little flower beds. So cute. Oh, this is the cutest. They have both like lanterns. Okay, faves, I can't believe that we just ran into that cute little street right there. Had to share that with you. Those houses, but you just split the pole. You can't split the pole. Sorry, superstitious. People have been living there since 1713. Those houses were built. That's incredible, and to have people still live there. They must be passed down from like family member to family member. Like nobody's selling anything on that block for sure, because I mean, how much would it go for? My goodness, the houses are really cute. I would love to see inside of one. They do have a tour. You saw the tour of the people walking by, but they also have a museum that I would love to see one day. You know, it was closed right now just because I guess probably because of COVID, but also because, you know, they have museum hours on the weekends, I believe, and this is just like on a whim. I'm down here, but anyway, maybe one day I'll get to go back and check them out for us. So anywho, I hope you enjoyed that little historical trip to Elfreth Sally. I mean, oldest, wow. Anywho, if you're not already subscribed to this channel, sorry. If you're not already subscribed to this channel, I ask that you hit that little red button below for me. Thank you. You can catch me on my day-to-day highlights on Insta at living_for_the_city. Or you can like me on Facebook looking for the City 77. Until next time, faves.